This looks pretty weird, so I'd like to explain why.
The front tires were getting hung up on the front bumper, so I chopped the bumper down to keep that from happening. The front end of the truck looked weird with such a short bumper, so I started cutting away more and more of the fender until you have the front end you see here. Sort of a truggy kind of thing. Then the rear end looked too bulky for how light the front end looked, so I bobbed the bed, cut off the outer skin, and cut out some sections in the middle. It looked really cool, but I didn't think it was going to last long. So I took it out for a rip, and I came across this guy with a really bitchin' Traxxas TRX4. And my truck broke, and I was just carrying it around, watching him drive his until he got bored of it and went home. And it made me realize I need to get a better truck. But I went home and fixed it, brought her out again, and yeah, just the most broken it's ever been.
Drive shaft's broken, missing a screw on the servo. Servo is completely gone.
So here we are. Upon further investigation, lost one of the gearbox screws and also screw for the front C-hub. And that's a big problem because these brass bushings, I don't know where else to get them. So if you know where to find those, let me know. So yeah, it'll be back, but not with the WPL body. I have a JJRC body on the way. So it's gonna look pretty sweet when that's done, but it's gonna be a couple weeks. But yeah, as usual, thanks for watching.